Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to open account on Sharjah Islamic Bank. So guys, what you have to do, just click this website and click this dot right corner, as you can see here, three line, and click apply for personal accounts. After that guys, scroll down, you find select your type account here, saving or like this flexi deposit, and write your first name here and last name and email address and your mobile phone number. And after that guys, what you have to do, just click off this nationality, click please select this country, and click your birthday date, and click are you existing CIB customer, and click employment type, and click this one, submit, and click I'm not robot, and just click submit here. This is how you can do guys to open account. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.